Let's look at 活. It means alive or living. 生活 means life or to live. Here is pour. It means lively or to splash. 活泼 means lively or energetic. Now, here is 快. It means fast or quick. 快跑 means run fast. Look at this character. It has two commonly used pronunciations. When read as 乐, it means happy. 快乐 means happy. When read as 乐, it means music. 音乐 means music. Next, 那 it means that. 那里 means there. Finally, 些 it means some or few. 一些 means some.